Hi guys, go in this side. So in last video we discuss on the our automation approach. Okay, so in this video we will go through practical. Okay, so we need to create first Spring Boot application. Okay, after that creating Spring Boot application, we'll deploy our Spring Boot application on Git repository, and after that we install the Jenkins and add configuration. Okay, so in this video we cover these two part. Okay, we create the Spring Boot application. After creating, we deploy on Git repository. So open IDE. So here I'm working on STS IDE. So click on file, go to the new, and select Spring Starter project. Okay, from here give project name hello Jenkins. Okay, hello Jenkins, and after that build type. Okay, I'm using Maven to build my project. Java version I'm using 8, so provide Java version. Okay, whatever Java you use, and click on next. So here I am adding only one dependency, Spring Web, because I am not creating any big application. I just want to create some REST API. Okay, so I'm adding only one dependency, Spring Web. Click on next and finish. Okay, so here hello Jenkins project is created. So now go to the diagram and check. So create the Spring Boot application. So we done with this, and we created our first application. Okay, so now second step is we want to push our application on Git server. Okay, so to push application on Git server, you need to create the account on Git. Okay, so for this open browser and type git.com. Okay, so I type git.com, so directly this page is open because I already created the account, and this is my account name, hardcoder. So I already created the account. Okay, so you can go on git.com and create the account. Okay, after creating account, click here. Okay, on a new repository. Okay, and create one repository. This is the hardcoder is my account name. Here I am creating repository. So repository name is you give any name. So I am giving hello Jenkins. Hello Jenkins is my, or hello Jenkins is my repository name. Okay, so create repository. Okay, so I have created repository. Now you need to connect this Git server with your local ID. Okay, so for that, copy this path. Click here to copy the path. Go to the IDE. Okay, go to Windows and show in other, and here you get the Git option. From Git, select Git repositories. Okay, from here you get the three option. You select clone a Git repository. Okay, so after clone a Git repository, just paste the copied path. Okay, this path I have copied. Okay, this is copied path I have pasted here. Okay, and here ID asking means this asking for username and password. Okay, so username is the hardcoder. Okay, hardcoder is my username. You can see here hardcoder is my username. Okay, but this is not a password. Okay, this is not a Git password. So what is this? So this is the secret key. Okay, this is secret key. So now question is how I get the secret key. Okay, so for this you go to the Git account. Okay, so on Git account select here and go to the setting. Under setting there is a developer tool. Okay, developer setting, sorry, go to the developer setting, and there is option what app personal access token. So go to the personal access token, and there is a fine gain tokens. Click on fine gain tokens, and here is the option generate new token. Okay, when you click on generate new token, then that time one secret key is generated. So that secret key you need to pass here as a password. Okay, so generate means generate new token means secret key, and pass here, and click on next button. Next, Okay, so here it is asking for directory, so you pass any name. Okay, but remember your directory should be empty. Okay, so this is a directory. After that click finish. So all steps completed. Okay, now click on your project, right click on your project. Now first click here. Okay, and after clicking there is an option init git flow. Click on init git flow. Okay, so you initialize your git flow. Now click on your project, go to the teams and share your project. Okay, this select from here. I'm selecting repository. By default your option is came. I'm selecting default option. Click here and click on finish. Go to your repository now. Which repository we created? Hello Jenkins. This is repositories, and check project is came or not. Currently there is no project. Okay, so go here, right click, go to the team, and there is one option push to origin. Click on push to origin. Okay, and here is the branch name, is asking for branch name. You can give any name. Okay, I am giving dev branch, dev, just dev. I create a branch with name dev. Okay, and click on push. Okay, close, and now go to your git server and check. Okay, so here one branch is created with name dev. Okay, and in this dev branch currently there is nothing is came, but branch is created. Okay, branch is created. If you click on the project, there is nothing. Okay, code, in code there is also nothing. So now you go to the your id and go to themes and click on commit. Okay, after click on commit you add the files whatever you want. Okay, so I want this application file, this form.xml, and other is hello jenkins.java. These three file I want. Okay, is first commit and push to head. Okay, push. Now go to the Jenkins, sorry, and your GitHub and check hello Jenkins project is came, and inside this your all project is push. So we successfully pushed our local IDE project on Jenkins. So on Jenkins our project is we pushed. Okay, so open this image. So as per flow we done with the first step and we done with the second steps. Okay, so we now third step is we test this two part. Okay, so how to test? So go to your application, currently open the git and check here. For example, here only one file. Okay, hello Jenkins application, and in your local machine also check. There is only one file. Okay, only one file. Now I am adding one more file, new Java class test controller. Okay, test controller, this is one more file I am added here. Okay, and I'm click on team commit. I'm committing these changes. Okay, test controller. Okay, added new file and commit and push. Okay, push to head. Okay, I'm click on push. Now go to the your here and check the file is coming or not. Okay, here file is came. Okay, here file is came, so it means that we successfully integrate successfully connect our git server to our local IDE. Now whatever changes you made here and commit the changes. After committing your all the changes displaying here. So next part is whenever you commit your changes. Okay, now whenever you commit your changes, I commit one more change. For example, here I write int I is equal to 10. Okay, and commit. So to explain what we want to achieve. Okay, so go to the teams and commit. give commit whatever, okay, and commit and push. So whenever you commit, so new changes appear here, okay. So my requirement is, okay, I is equal to 10, okay. So my requirement is whenever I commit the changes on Git server, so Jenkins should start the build with updated changes, okay. So we done with this two part. So in next part we work with Jenkins, right? So that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and if you have any doubt or suggestion, you can comment.